Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to draw a super cute duck step by step, perfect for beginners. Okay, so let's start. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I hope you like this duck. I'm saying duck. It's Thanks for watching, and next time I will see you with another video. Till then, bye bye, see ya, and stay safe and healthy. Bye.